Was that right, Bourgeois?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
Yes, Judge. Okay.
All right, folks, here's where it gets real. Criminal trespass isn't just a slap on the wrist. Up to 6 months jail time and a $2,000 fine. That's serious business, especially for something as seemingly simple as being asked to leave a McDonald's. Why do you think trespassing laws carry such heavy penalties? Drop your thoughts below, because this sets the stage for everything that follows.
On January 2nd, 2025, officers were dispatched to a trespasser call at a McDonald's in Harris County, Texas. The complainant, the manager of the McDonald's, stated the defendant had been asked to leave several times before and refused to do so. The complainant stated she and her staff observed the defendant in the parking lot checking car door handles, and the defendant stated to the officer that she had not asked her to leave the location and that she had not done anything wrong. That's what the defendant stated, but...
Wait, hold up. The defendant admits to being asked to leave several times, but flat out refuses. Classic he said, she said drama right here. This is a textbook case of conflicting stories. Who do you trust when both sides seem to contradict? Also, keep an eye on how the judge's tone subtly shifts here. You can practically feel the frustration rising.
Okay, yeah, so the complainant stated she had been asked to leave, and the defendant stated she was not. But the defendant did say to the officers that she was asked to leave several times, and she refused to do so.
At this McDonald's?
At the McDonald's stop.
All right. Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Do not go back to this McDonald's, please. I'm making that a condition of your bond. Do not pick up any new cases.
Now, here's the twist. The judge warns that picking up any new cases will land the defendant right back in the slammer. With a bond revocation looming like a ticking time bomb, it's like a legal game of Jenga. One wrong move, and the whole thing collapses. Can you imagine the pressure? Stay tuned because the stakes are only climbing.
You were able to get out because we gave you a free bond. If you pick up a new case, you violate conditions. I'm going to revoke the bond. I'm going to make it high. If you don't have anyone to make that bond, you'll be stuck like Chuck in there. So consider this when you're out there. Please don't pick up any new cases. Be nice.
John,
Tell me, do you have the ability to hire a lawyer?
I don't.
Okay. Would you like us to appoint you a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
I need you to fill out an application for me, Ms. Bourgeois, and then I'll take a look, and assuming you qualify, I'll provide you a lawyer today. Okay? Do you mind, Deputy Brown, giving her an application, please? All right. I'm going to have you, we'll give you an application. We'll have you sign a reset, and then I'll have you take a seat in the jury box.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.